Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. Yay. Okay, I only have one child, and that child is Jackson. The other three, Jason, Jordan, and Destiny, they are going on a trip. They're having outdoor school this week, meaning they're going to be gone for 3 days. Whew, anxiety. Let's not even talk about that. But let's get into what Mr. Jackson is having. I gave him a fun little lunch because it's, he's by himself. He's not used to being by himself, so I wanted him to, have something really nice and special for him. I gave him 2 peanut butter cookies. Don't mind my fingers. I just peeled the mandarin orange, so there's crap all over it. I gave him 2 peanut butter cookie. These are from Aldi's, and they're really good. I gave him a bagel with pumpkin spice cream cheese on there. Hopefully he eats that. I gave him some honey roasted peanut. He loves peanut. And I gave him a mandarin orange with some sour cream and onion chips. And last but not least, oh, is this broken? Oh no. And last but not least, I gave him a strawberry yogurt, and he has his spoon. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, and we have one more day before my older kids get home. It's been kind of weird just packing lunch for one child, even though it's so easy. Gosh, it's so easy with one child. You can give them whatever you want. You can start making it as late as you want because it's just one child. It makes you second guess your whole life when you're just dealing with 2 children. You're just like, really? This is what it's like? But I wouldn't change it for the world. I love my babies. Jackson's going to have a orange gelatin. I'm not even sure. I didn't even ask him if he wanted it. You want the Jello, dude? Okay, he's gonna have the orange Jello. He has a spoon here, and then I made him some crackers with peanut butter. I think I gave him way too many. Yes, toddler. Okay, I think I gave him way too many, but we shall see. It's just peanut butter with the buttery round crackers, and then I gave him some apple. Please eat the apple. I gave him a whole apple. I gave him an entire apple, and what I did to prevent it from going brown is I put a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of water, and a little bit of sugar. That way the apple is not like really sour. You want to try it? It's really good. It's infused, so it's extra sweet. That way he will like it. And then I gave him some chocolate covered pretzel, and then 2 peanut butter filled chocolate little round cookies here, and that is his lunch for the day. He has his water, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and it's the last day without my older kids. Tomorrow we picked up for 4 kids. Tomorrow we'll pick up for 4 kids, and I'm excited because I get to see my babies today. When I pick up Jackson from school, I get to pick up all of them. So today Mr. Jackson is having a strawberry banana flavored Walmart little yogurt tube situation. I love these because they're so inexpensive compared to the other ones. And then he has a turkey. Is this turkey or chicken? I think it's turkey. He has turkey, cheese, and spinach, and a little bit of whatever that lettuce is called. Has a little bit of it. I didn't put any mayo or any sauce on it whatsoever because I didn't want the bread to get soggy. Plus, he doesn't really like stuff on his sandwich. And then, you wanted stuff on your sandwich, dude? No? He has 2 lemon cookie right here. I tried to fit them in here, but they got stuck. So, what are you 2 doing?
She's doing
Maddie, leave it alone. And then he has trail mix right here. And then he has some, what is this called? Sour cream and onion chips. And then I gave him a orange mandarin. And that should fill up the little guy for today. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. I am excited because my kiddos are back home. And yeah, it's the reason for the new water bottle. And we're in a new space. My island is filled with crap right now. I'm not in the mood to figure out what it is and where to put it. So let's start with Miss Destiny. Look at the cute little water bottle they got from the camp that they went to. So that's her water. And then she's gonna have a nacho cheese. I sent these with them and they did really well because they were gone for 3 days and they brought back, I think, 7 or 8. They have some sandwich cookie. I was just lazy today. This is a lazy lunch. And I don't know. I was just way too lazy and it's too late right now. So they have a, plus I wanted to use up these these bagels before they go back because it's been almost 2 weeks now since they've been in my pantry and they're not eating them for breakfast. So I figured let's send them with them for lunch. So this is just, plain bagel with pumpkin cream cheese. I don't know why there's pumpkin cream cheese this season, but whatever. She's gonna have an apple, and I feel like I should send something else. You guys think this is enough food? You guys want a yogurt or something?
That's good.
No?
No.
This is fine? Okay. This is Jaxson, and he's having the barbecue potato chips, an apple, some cookie, and his bagel with cream cheese. Actually, this is the little guys because it's much smaller. And that's a bigger guy. So that's what they're having. And then Jason's having the same thing. I believe. No, Jason's having sour cream and onion potato chips. And then Jordan,
No, that's Jason.
he's my autistic child. So for people that are asking, this is Jason? Okay, this is Jason. This is Jordan. And this is Jordan. Jordan is my autistic child. He doesn't really come on camera because he's not really, he doesn't know how to, he doesn't really like being on camera. So I don't really show him. I tend to want to respect him and stuff. Hey, dude, come here. Me? Yes. He's camera shy. Like legit camera shy. Look.
I don't care about that.
I'm only camera shy because my voice changes in the camera in the video.
Your voice changed?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
But it sounds.
Notice he doesn't make eye contact.
No.
Alright, you gonna have a good day at school?
Yes.
Okay. Anyways, I will catch you guys on Friday. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. What? It's Friday. It's Friday. I want to dance. Okay, let's start with the little guy. So he's having pizza at school. They're ordering pizza. On Fridays, they order pizza. But you have to pay for it. So I went ahead and ordered pizza because his siblings were away this week. So I was like, oh, why not just spoil the little guy? So I got him pizza. So all he's going to have is a fruit cup, a mandarin fruit cup, his spoon to eat his, his stuff. And he's going to have some pretzel stick and some cookies just to eat with his pizza or after he eats his pizza. So that's Jaxson. And then moving on to Jordan. He's going to have a sandwich. So this is a chicken sandwich. It's a lunch meat. And it has cheese underneath. And I just toasted the bread. It's going to have some pretzel stick right here. And then this is peanut butter, just so he can have extra protein. And then I have these knockoff Thin Mint. They're from Aldi's. They are so good. So if you can't afford $5 per box of Girl Scout cookies and you love Thin Mint, go to Aldi's. These are 95 cents. Here's his mandarin orange. He's gonna have a Chelo. This is a strawberry Chelo. And then he has his spoon. And that's what Mr. Jordan is having for lunch on Friday. Don't mind the toddler in the background. His sister's having the same thing, so Miss Destiny. And she's having the berry blue. And it's the same thing. And I love these containers. They are linked down below. So if you want these type of containers, I link them down. So, and I love these over my Yum boxes and my Bento kits. I use these over those because those things tend to, the flap ones to come up. These stay closed. So if you have a little one and they're rough on their containers, this is the way to go. And they're so inexpensive. This is Jason. He's having the same thing as his sister. So with that said, guys, we done completed a whole week of lunch videos. I hope you guys had an amazing week. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.